Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest beauty products. Today, we're diving into a professional styling tool that has caught the attention of many in the beauty community, the Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Marcel Iron. This tool promises long-lasting curls and waves with a twist, literally. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Marcel Iron is designed to give you beautiful, defined curls, but with a twist on the classic curling iron. The most notable feature is the 24K Gold barrel, which is not just for looks. Gold is an excellent heat conductor, ensuring that heat is distributed evenly across the barrel. This means faster styling and more consistent results. With a temperature range that goes up to 430 glar, this tool is suitable for all hair types, whether your hair is fine, thick, or somewhere in between. As for the design, the Marcel Iron lacks a spring, which can make it tricky for some people to use, especially if you're not accustomed to the technique. This tool is commonly used by professional stylists, but it's a bit of a learning curve for beginners. The benefit, however, is that you can wrap the hair around the barrel for a more traditional curling technique, or you can use it in a wand style for looser, beachy waves. In terms of performance, I've had the chance to test this tool out for a few weeks now, and I was impressed with its ability to hold heat consistently. I used it on both my own hair and my husband's. Yes, he helped with this review since this product is designed for professional use, and the results were consistent. My hair, which tends to lose curl quickly, held beautifully for hours, without any need for touch-ups. The heat-up time is quick, so no more waiting around for your tool to get to the right temperature. Now let's talk about usability. The Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Marcel Iron definitely requires a bit of practice to get comfortable with it. If you're used to a spring-loaded curling iron, you may find the Marcel Iron to be a bit awkward at first. I had to be extra mindful of the way I gripped it, and the lack of a spring makes it less forgiving if you're not careful. That said, once you get the hang of it, the results are stunning. The swivel cord provides plenty of flexibility, and the fold-away safety stand makes storing it a breeze. But there are a couple of things to consider. One downside is that the lack of a spring can be a bit tricky for beginners, and I would suggest this tool for those with some styling experience. Additionally, while the iron works great for long-lasting curls, I found that the smaller barrel, 1 inch, is better suited for tighter curls and waves. So if you're looking for a looser style, you might want to go with a larger barrel size. When it comes to value for money, the Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Marcel Iron is a solid investment for anyone who frequently styles their hair or works in the beauty industry. It's a professional-grade tool that can withstand heavy use and delivers consistent results. The price is on the higher end, but given the performance, durability, and professional design, it's worth it for those looking for high-quality results. If you're a beginner or just someone who occasionally styles their hair, it might be worth exploring more user-friendly curling irons. If you're on a budget or prefer something easier to handle, there are plenty of good alternatives on the market. A more traditional curling iron or a curling wand with a spring-loaded clamp would be a great option for those who aren't quite ready to master the Marcel technique. However, if you're up for the challenge and want a tool that delivers salon-quality curls, this is definitely one to consider. To wrap it all up, the Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Marcel Iron offers beautiful, long-lasting results for those willing to invest the time in mastering its technique. With consistent heat, a versatile design, and professional-grade performance, it's a must-have for serious hairstylists or anyone who wants their curls to last all day. But if you're just starting out with styling tools, you might want to explore other options first. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this tool or have any tips for mastering the Marcel technique, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.